This training video is to show you how to set up auto search after login. This feature allows the system to automatically run a selected search criteria you have previously set up. To set the auto search after login option, there are two steps in the process. The first step is to set up a search criteria you wish to search. The second step is to turn on the Perform Auto Search After Login option. To begin, make sure that you are working within the Form tab. Click Clear. This will clear out any searches that you currently have active. You will then click on User ID and then select yourself and/or others by placing a check in the box. For demonstration purposes, I'm only going to check one person. Once you have the check in the box, you will then click OK. If you have select forms you wish to auto search, choose Forms and select the forms, or if you wish to auto select all of the forms your agency is currently using, you may leave this section blank. Click on Status and select the statuses you wish to auto search. For training purposes, I will select Open and Rejected. Then click OK. Click Save, and I'm going to label this one Open and Rejected. You will then place a check mark next to the favorite that you wish to auto search after login. You will then make sure that you're under the Tools tab and click on User Preferences and click on Perform Auto Search After Login. If you wish to see if your selection took, you could click on User Preferences a second time and you will notice there's a check mark next to Perform Auto Search After Login. And now if I was to close TraCS and reopen it, it will automatically show any forms that I currently have in open or rejected status. To help minimize time, I have logged off of TraCS and back on to show how the open and rejected automatically loaded based on the Perform Auto Search After Login is activated. This concludes the training video on how to set up performing an auto search after login.